So, first time in front of the camera. Don't know how I feel about that, but anyway, trials today with my friend Will, who basically ear bashed me for the last year since he sold his enduro bike to buy a trials bike. So I bought a Gas TXT 300 last weekend, and now off down to non-stop trials in Ammanford to see what all the fuss is about. Than it does on the videos. Oh, you. I don't mind wherever.
The rest of it looks alright.
You'll be alright. Go on! Always let someone else go first in deep water. No idea what gear. Oh no. Well, there we are. There's the first. Oh, I literally was thinking when I seen you go, I was like, oh, I don't even know what gear to be in on this bike. 5 minutes into riding it. Oh, I can't hardly stand on it. But yeah, that looks a bit more tricky. What? Give what a go? I'm sure the video won't do that justice. Don't really want to do this. Gear pressure and all that. I hope that picked it up. Probably doesn't look big, but that is pretty big. Maybe not a bit of trial people, but yeah.
I'm going to shit my pants.
Yeah, that was pretty big.
Much worse going down.
Yep.
Oh,
look at all the water flowing down all that like that.
What's that?
Whoa! Go for the two. Maybe I will.